Hi everybody, my name is Ashley and I'm here to explain my writing methods and parameters homework. So I decided to draw a neighborhood with a method I called draw house. So there she is right there. It takes parameters for the height and width of each house, and the width also serves as the length of the sides of the roof. So my code block starts at the top left corner and makes a house and then turns and makes an equilateral triangle for the roof. This is set to public because it's written in the file turtle.java, and I want other programs in other files to be able to reach into the turtle.java file and use this drawHouse method. The type is void because I am not asking for the program to return a specific type. And now for my create house file. I've created a world called Suburbia here, and in it I need some houses, and so that's what my code makes. Now we have a few turtles here. I named them Myrtle, Birtle, and Slurtle, and they all start building at different XY coordinates. So Myrtle starts at x equals 300, y equals 300, so like kind of right in the middle. So for Myrtle, the height parameter gets an argument of integer 20, and then an integer argument of 10 for the width. And that's what passes through this right here, and then runs this. And then we get some houses in a neighborhood. Nothing crazy, but I hope I explained my thought process well. Thanks, and have a good week, everybody.